small like fades, we still say goodbye. Thank you for the time, for the love you lend, every feather, every paw heaven sent. Emily, little homestead where we call every heartbeat by name. From the rabbit run to the chick shed, every soft sound feels like a flame. We don't own them, we hold them, we do our best and let them rest. Emily, little homestead, we live on this land with respect. Sunset settles on the garden road. You take my hand as a cool wind